Well, all right. Welcome back. Welcome back to the Hot Tours Chronicles, where we again journey together. So let's go on this journey together. And this is that Glock 19 Generation 5 MOS. Woo, 15 rounds. And of course, you can put one in the chamber. So you got that'll be that 16 round. But this is not a new gun. I bought it and been using it. It's my everyday carry. It is all that in a bowl of grits. I love it. One of the reasons why I love the Glock is because it's so ubiquitous. It's all over. You can buy different things for it, and you can go ahead. You have one Glock and a different type of Glock, and then guess what? They can go ahead and put a different mag in it and go ahead and shoot regardless of whom or what. Now, I'm not advertising anybody in particular, but at the same time, no, I did not pay this high price for it, but it was still a good price. I paid about $635 and I bought it at a spot. And again, I'm not trying to advertise or get no type of bonuses, credits, and not a member or whatever. Bought it from Stoddard's, but you can get it anywhere online. So I bought it from Stoddard's. You can buy it at Academy. You can buy it at Sergeant Arms. You can buy it all over the place. That's what I like about Glock. You can get it all over and accessories to go along with it. But this Glock is a typical Glock, but it's not. I didn't pay that. I paid about $635 for it again, and this is about a year or two ago or something like on that line. And what I like about buying it at Stoddard's is that they gave me free range time. They gave me a free range time. So let's go ahead and reveal this bad boy here. Check it out. Check it out. Oh, and as you can see, this is the main event. But before we go into greater detail of this main event, I got some accessories already on it, but we're not going to talk about that right now. Let's go ahead and talk about what comes inside of it. What I like about it here is you can see you have a safe, you can put this through the inside here, and it comes through here, and that way it actually can lock it and where it keep it from anybody accidentally getting it, and they have, in order to use it, they have to have the key. This comes with it. Now this is how you can change the back here so it can give you a better placement in your hand. I didn't need it, so this is an accessory that comes along with it. It comes with a tool in which to make the change. It also comes with its own type of speed loader. It's okay, but I like mine better, and I'll show you that in a minute. Again, I'm not advertising for any particular one, but just at the same time, just for user-friendly, I like this one here, the Up Lula. We talked about that before. I'll let you go, and we'll talk about that even more later. But like I said, I got it started with a lifetime warranty, which I also like. Again, it was $609, actually even cheaper. So love that, right? Save some money on it. Also, and what I like about that MOS 5 part, this is what was on it at first. You can change it out, so you can go ahead and put your own optic on it. We'll talk about it in greater detail. With it, it also comes with the manual, safety instructions, so you can go ahead and clean it, break it down, all of those good things, so we can talk about it, all of that. And yes, I need to clean mine here, which I need to go ahead and fill this out too. So, but anyway, firearm safety, and here's a picture of how you can keep it from being keep somebody from accessing it unlawfully, and if you don't want it to. Okay, so just these are the type of little things, but the main thing here again is warranty. This is not about us advertising for any particular agency or group or nothing like that. It's about, hey, we are journeying and experiencing together this thing called life. And we talk about just an interest of mine, guns, and things of that nature. So let's just talk about it in greater detail. But enough about this box and all of that. Let's talk about the main event. And the main event right here is the Glock 19 Generation 5 here. Wow. Of course, it already came with its own sights already. So I still have mine. These are the sights that came with it. Okay. Now, it did not come with this optic, red dot optic, and nor did it come with the light. Okay, it's the same base trigger, base handle. I didn't do anything extra to it, but I just want to go ahead and share with you and let you see what we're talking about. Before, let's go ahead and show you that this is a clear weapon. As you can see, there's nothing inside of it, and as well as nothing here, no clip. So let me go and show you that. So you can see here is an empty, totally clear weapon here. Okay, and yes, it's been used, and yes, it needs to be clean. So I will be doing that in the next video here. So let's talk about it from here, right? So let's go ahead and start. As you can see here, the slide, I attached the light. Again, this is what makes it so wonderful, is that you quickly can have all types of accessories on it, okay? So here's the stream light here. I love the stream light. Now this again is an accessory that I added about $100 some odd, and it got several different settings. And you can see here. Oh. Wow, now what's going on here? Oh, I didn't turn it on. There it is. Sorry about that. So here, so you're gonna just strobe like that, hold it, lock it right there, lock it on, and you actually have it strobe, and I just got to remember how to do it as well. Okay, so that's just one thing I wanted to share with you so you can see it. All right, so that's want to make sure that's clear. The next thing I want to share with you here is the slide locking mechanism. So you go here, as you can see, this little, you push it up and it locks it into place. Now also you just push it down and it'll automatically push this, take a round from the magazine and push it into the chamber. So if you do this, guess what? It'll automatically feed it around. Now, do people say don't do that? Yes, but hey, sometimes you can do it that way. And definitely a lot of people say don't do it empty so it won't damage anything inside because it's made to actually be pushing around in it. Now, what is here in this grip here, this right here is the magazine release, okay? So you put a magazine in, right? Now you can go ahead and push it. It won't do it now because it's empty. It's made to keep it from going in when it's empty like that. But you just press this button here and there's the magazine release, okay? It just comes right on out. So I want to share that with you. And what I like about these grooves here on the side, it allows you to easily go ahead and pull it back however you want to do it, okay? So you can do it any kind of way. It allows you to quickly do it. That's why I like this too. It allows you to get the grip that you need, okay? Now also want to go ahead and share with you right here, this plate here. This plate you can take off, which I did, or actually the person who I buy a lot of my things and accessories and mounted it on for me. Go ahead, this was came with the originally, and I took it all, had it taken off, and then put the Holosun optic on it. This is a beautiful red dot optic. It's one that it comes on when you move it, and so therefore it comes on and that red dot can see it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it through here, but nevertheless it's there. All right, and you can turn it up or dim it here. You hold it down, it actually does some other things, so you can change it from inside of just a dot or the circle with the dot in it or not. So you got all types of options here. And obviously you can use here these with the right key that comes along with it. It'll actually go ahead and deal with the elevation or the windage here. Okay, so you can have zero in the red dot optic with your gun. So just want to make sure you see that. So that's on this side. Now you use these pieces here to help clean it and break it down and things of that nature. And here is that trigger. Now the Glock does not have a safety. That's one of the reasons why I like it. But what it does is that if you do not depress this middle piece here, this middle piece, if you can see that right there where my finger is, here's the outside part of the trigger in this middle piece. If you don't press that, then it will not shoot. You will not pull it. So watch this. See, I'm pushing it, applying pressure. It won't move. You have to go ahead and do this. So let me show you a little bit with the hammer. So look, see, as long as I'm pushing it, it won't go. Now, the moment I push this back, it will allow the trigger to go back. So this is the safety. So really, you have a safety, the finger, okay? So if you do not put your finger on the trigger, then it will not fire, okay? And that's why you always want to keep your hand away from the trigger until you are actually ready to fire. So here is that beautiful, beautiful piece here. So it's already there, ready to rock and roll, okay? Now it comes with, if I recall correctly, it comes with 3 magazines that come with it. And what I like, again, you can buy more magazines. I got this 15 rounder right here, but and as you can see, 9mm. And what I like about it is it shows you here how the butt of it, the direction the round is supposed to go in. So here's the back of the round and it goes in here, and then you use these to help you know how many rounds you have in it. So if you see the hole, like right now, you can tell it's empty because it's actually no color and it's not you don't see you see an empty hole or into the black. So if it's filled, you will be able to see, oh, it has that how many rounds I have left in it. So this is very, very important. Now, so you have that, and then, again, you can buy all types of magazines. You can buy drums, you can buy 100-round drums, 50-round drums, or whatever, and you can buy magazines here that's 40-round and 30-round. So I believe I have a 30-round, couple of 30 rounds, as well as the 15-round magazine. So I just wanted to share with you and show you the power of it. And one of the great things about it, 9mm are fairly inexpensive rounds to get. Full metal jacket or whatever, hollow points or whatever you want to get. They're fairly easy to get, so that's one thing that's really good about it. Another thing that's good about Glock, you can pop out, again, from one to the next, and then you can say, hey, give it to a friend, and they can pop it into theirs as well, or take one of theirs and pop it in. So it's that ubiquitous. So that's why it's good to almost have everybody have a Glock, so that way you can go ahead and just interchangeably use it as you run out of rounds in a magazine. You can go ahead and do that type of thing with it. So this time I just want to stop right there so you can see what's going on, see what the additions I've added to it, and I'm pretty much done with it. Pretty much done. I'm not adding anything to it. You know, I'm not trying to be John Wick and pull out the right type of there you can change the mechanism in here, so make it even heavier so it can shoot better. You can add compressors and all of those things, which I may do. But the other thing you can do is add where it can actually bring your gun back down. I forgot the name of it. As you can see, this is a journey we're going together. I'm no expert in guns, but at the same time, that help keep the gun aligned properly. But that's one thing. Just want to share with you what's going on here with this beautiful 19 Generation 5 MOS here, Glock 19. So as you can see, beautiful piece of machinery here. I put well over 1,000 rounds into this bad boy and got more to come. All right. Thank you so much. Hey, welcome back again. Tell me what kind of Glock you got, or why you like the Glock, don't like the Glock, what accessories you have on it. Do what you like, right? Comment, and just most of all, like and share if you think this was useful for you, and why if you're into deciding on what gun you want to get and what brand and all of those good things. I hope this helped in the decision-making process. Let me know what you think. Have a good one.